I have with me two participants. One is from Norway, Lavlina, and Sakal is from Qatar. Sakala is from Qatar. Both ladies, thank you very much for speaking to DD India. First of all, tell me, you are here participating in a women empowerment panel discussion. Have things changed in India? How do you think these discussions are going to lead to further accelerating this pace of change?
I think many things has changed in India. Now, recently we have seen a huge development in India. But if I look back when I was young and when I was living in Norway in 80s, the only role model I had, women in leader positions, it was Indira Gandhi. We hadn't any female prime minister in Europe. So for me, India has been the place where I can find role models, where I can get inspiration. So I think we have been on the right path.
When you look back at India, when you visit India, are things changing here, and what needs to change more?
Well, one of the things that I find increasingly the awareness that people have on IT, and also the fact that I think India is ahead of the curve in anything to do with IT. Take, for example, Prime Minister Modi has taken forward the Paytm or the UPI system all over the world, all over the Middle East. It has been introduced. I think what we need to understand also is, and I personally believe this, that India needs to increase the amount of safety for women. Okay, that is a global phenomenon happening all over the world. I live in Qatar. Qatar is one of the safest places for women and children. Safest. I mean, like, I've lived there for 24 years, and I cannot tell you such. I wish the Indian government does a little more for safety. They're doing a lot for empowerment. They're doing a lot in the education field. They're doing a lot in the infrastructure, highways, and things like that. Healthcare is taking up a lot of the space. Defense and technology, but I wish they increase the amount of safety. For example, increase the number of police women, increase the number of call centers for police women, even in small places.
These kind of conversations are taking place here at the 2025 PBD. There is a lot that India can learn from its diaspora and engage with its diaspora for a mutually beneficial relationship. With cameraman Sanjay Jaina, this is Amrit Pal Singh for DD India at the Pravasi Bharatiya Divas in Bhubaneswar.